Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, our honorable lecturer, Dr. Shahril Nizam, and to all my fellow friends. First of all, welcome to MQB1, subject Network and Management of Information System. Today, we are left to share our presentation entitled The Voice Recognitions. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we learn deeply about voice recognition, let's know our team member. First and foremost, Miss Nurin Najwa Binti Anua, 1191626. Secondly, Miss Hajar Binti Hasanuddin, 1191627. Last but not least, Miss Nurin Farisya Binti Hamim, 1191638. Introduction to voice recognitions. So what is voice recognitions? Voice recognitions refers to the ability of a specific device to receive and interpret spoken directive. Simply said, voice recognition technology can interact and respond to human commands. Voice recognitions originated on PCs, but with integrations in smartphones and its rising popularity became more accessible within the use of home devices. This way, the technology became available in our kitchens, living rooms, and so many places. So how did voice recognition started and how it emerged? The first time the voice speech recognition was documented was in 1952 when Bell Laboratories designed the Audrey system. It was a system that recognized digits spoken by a single voice. Throughout the time, voice speech processing technology has steadily progressed all the way up to 2011 when Apple decided to launch Siri. Since then, voice recognition is in the constant uprise, and with Google's voice search, Amazon Alexa following, it became widely accepted. So why we choose this technology? It can boost productivity level, where it can improve work management, and second, it can generate more time, where talking is faster than typing. Voice recognition technology is being built into more devices and gadgets in order to make life easier, as voice inputs are far more efficient than typing. And thirdly, enables hand-free work. Whatever we do and whichever job we perform, task completion can be done more easily with voice recognitions.
Moving on to some findings on the issues. Some findings on the issues? What is that? Alright, let's get into it. First, what value does voice recognition have for businesses? Are you wonder? Of course, right? Alright, first, automating business operation. Including voice assistant technology in your business can free more time for your workers to do more productive things by automating repetitive tasks. You can program voice assistant to do routine tasks, so your employees avoid spending time on dull or monotonous tasks. For instance, AI voice assistant can analyze extensive amount of data, predict actions, and make suggestions. Second, enhance e-commerce marketing. Businesses can use voice assistants such as eBay's Google Assistant to personalize marketing campaigns, offer quick responses to customer queries, and overall improve service quality. The voice assistant also scans eBay's entire shopping network to find what customers are looking for with a single voice command. Next, number 2. What impact does voice recognition have on related technologies or businesses? In this slide, I will touch more on the healthcare field. Firstly, time savings and productivity gains. Medical workers typically spend a significant portion of their day filling out paperwork. It takes time to write or type notes, but speaking them out loud is faster. All they have to do is speak into a recording device, and voice recognition technology will convert what they say into typed words. Number 2, a better quality of care. Saving time on paperwork allows doctors to spend more time with their patients, which result in better overall care. Voice technologies can help physicians to genuinely be there with their patients instead of spending time searching through a medical chart or analyzing information on the computer. You must be curious of what impact does voice recognition have on people, processes and businesses. Well, I can help you with that. Number 1, people. It can help those who have problems with speech or sight. It is extremely useful for anyone with a physical disability who finds typing difficult, painful, or impossible. Additionally, it can help to reduce the risk of getting a repetitive strain injury, RSI, or to manage any such upper limb disorder more effectively. Voice recognition programs can also greatly benefit people with dyslexia who would otherwise struggle with spelling or structuring sentences correctly. Number 2, processes. Why processes? Because it can improve self-service in a way that enriches the customer experience and reduce organizational costs. With the help of voice recognition technology, callers can input information such as name, account number, the reason for their call without interacting with a live agent. Number 3, businesses. Eliminate language barriers. Businesses can continue operations seamlessly in different areas using voice assistant, such as Google Voice Assistant, which understands over 27 other languages. This can be helpful for global businesses to engage in more meaningful communications easier without the need for a translator.
Okay, now let's talk about the issues on voice recognition. One of the main challenges in voice recognition is the accuracy. Many other factors affect the level of accuracy on a case-by-case basis. First and foremost, the accuracy of background noise. Even though we are using the microphone or headphone, it's hard to use the voice commands effectively in the urban outdoors or in large public spaces because there are so many voices sounds out there. Secondly, the accuracy of accents and dialects. Different people have different accents, different people have different languages, and children may encounter the most difficulties when using the voice recognition, especially in the home learning environment. Another issue on voice recognition is the lack of data security and privacy. All this automatically brings in privacy issues. The process of identification is subject to mistakes because the data can be reveal information about someone else or misissued for another purpose. For example, we can take in criminal investigation, the data can be stolen by someone else. So all of these issues can make the user feel irritated and they feel not secure, and maybe they have to think twice before using this technology. Now we're moving on to the observation. How might our country Malaysia can design something based on voice recognition technology? Regarding to the issues that I have explained before, to overcome it, the most important thing that Malaysia can do is enhance voice biometry, because the high quality of voice biometrics is to ensure that no sensitive personal information is disclosed and allows organization to create a digital profile of someone's voice. Simply say that this technology has a very high accuracy that doesn't discriminate between different accents or different languages, and the most important thing, maybe it can be works for children. So with this enhancement, there are a lot of things that can be produced and designed by using the voice recognition technology. It can come out with the managing finance with voice, especially for banking. Can you imagine that banking virtual assistant that use the voice commands not only help you to make transaction, but also help you to keep track of your spending, and you can directly know where your money goes. Also, with the enhancements of voice biometry, the voice recognition technology can be a useful tool for children in their learning by transforming the way the children interact with technology. Voice-enabled literacy work out of measuring a child's learning rate. I give you a clear example. Voice recognition can generate regular and isolate area where students need to be improved. Also, the teacher can review the progress data generated by voice-enabled tools. So, voice recognition has been proven that it also can be worked for children. In addition, this technology can improve the healthcare industry. As we know, clinics and hospitals are very time-sensitive environments. They are so busy. So, what if I say that doctors can shorten the average appointment, which medical transcription software can capture and store the information in patient medical records by just using the voice recognition. And yes, converting the voice and speech to text will have a beneficial effect in healthcare industry and can skyrocket their efficiency.
So, what a better suggestion for the improvements of the capability of recognitions? Well, this technology still lack of accuracy and misinterpretation. We suggest for the voice recognitions to improve that by training, but we are sure that improving the technology can require additional work and investment. Therefore, the collaborations of vendors for the improvement are so important. Where there is such as speech processing solutions, creating higher power and AI enhanced recording devices to address this problem. And so, other vendors also are building better noise cancelling and audio enhancing software, which is we can practice make perfect. So voice recognition technology is a trend that a lot of people and companies want to embrace. It can provide benefits not only to households but also to businesses as well. So the evolution and improvement is still ongoing, but keep in mind that voice technology has slowly proved its advantages to having voice assistance within our everyday life. Thank you for watching and listening until the end of the presentation. We hope you understand the points we delivered crystal clear. And stay safe wherever you are. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.